The Screencast Keys add-on will show which key or mouse button you push, either to make tutors or ask for help and let your mentor see what are your moves. Just go on the Screencast Keys page, the link is in the description. Go a little bit down and click on Get Add-on. It says drag and drop into Blender. So open Blender and make the two windows side by side and just drag and drop the add-on. Almost as simple as that. It didn't work for me at first, so I've restarted Blender and maybe my computer, I don't remember, and tried again and it worked. Press N and you can see in the sidebar that a new Screencast Keys tab has appeared. Click on it and you can choose your own preferences, like the position, the font size and a bunch of stuff. Just play with it. You can also press Ctrl-, to open parameters, add-on and Screencast Keys and configuration. You have a little bit more options, like deselecting sidebar, which will remove it from the sidebar if you have too many tabs in it. And that's all for today.